Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You saw the thumbnail? You saw the title? We are doing the gayest makeup tutorial ever created from anybody, ever. And the reason is, this is an homage, obviously to my fellow queer people out there. It's almost Pride Month. You know, you always know when it's Pride Month when Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger have their rainbow flags in their windows because, you know, gay baiting. And then on top of that, I also want to take this time to really say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the homophobic people I ever met in my life. And I met many, many homophobic people. Well, this is a thank you because you are giving me the drive and you're giving me the little fire I need underneath my beautiful butt to continue fighting for what is right, that is equality, that all humans deserve equal respect and should love whoever they want to love, because love wins over hate always. And because this is a thank you video, I want to make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Go and like this video and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the little bell so you will always get to know when I upload my gay videos. And to start off the video right, let's go ahead and decorate myself like a Christmas tree, because jewelry, gay, but rainbow arm bracelets, super gay. So if you have those laying around, go ahead and put them on now, because that's everybody needs rainbow bracelets. And then the next thing, what about a glass of champagne, because gay. And then this is actually not any glass, this is a Tiffany champagne flute, because super gay. And so cheers to you, cheers to me, cheers to the queers. Delicious. Alright guys, and now because I don't want to keep you waiting, let's go ahead and jump right into the gayest makeup tutorial ever. Alright, and the first thing we want to do is take care of our skin, because taking care of your skin is gay. And so I'm using the softening lotion and the vibrancy eye cream, and then I go ahead and prime my face with the HD micro primer from Kryolan as usual. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. What I like about it, it's very long wearing and it's super full coverage. And I want you to see that I'm wearing makeup, because I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of wearing makeup. So I want you to see and notice it from a mile away. So I'm just using it on a beauty blender. And let's keep bouncing it like a ball sack on your face. Now let's go into concealing. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. And this is really like taking away any masculinity of me. Honey, there is no man left. Now this reminds me of parties in 2007. I'm using this translucent powder to keep my concealer locked into place and making sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now to set my entire face, I'm using Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium. Now that all of my sins are covered and caked up, let's go and bring some shape back to my face. And I'm using Laguna Bronzer from NARS and just contouring my cheeks, jaw, and everywhere I need it. Now to make myself look like I've been on a circuit party in Barcelona all day in the sun, giving myself this bronzy look, I'm using Give Me Sun and then this bronzer from Bobbi Brown in the color Deep. And I'm just mixing and kicking it on all the high points. And I really want to go into town with that bronzer because, you know, I've been out all day. Now before we dipping into the highlighter, let's have another sip of champagne. Now to blind all the haters, let's go into highlighter. This is the Mary Luminizer from The Balm. It's for me one of the best. And then we just go into high points, and don't be shy with the highlighter. You know, you want people to know, oh my god, the gays are coming. All right, let's go into eyes. And I do want to create the most outrageous rainbow look that I can do. So, and I want to include also the colors of my trans brothers and sisters. So I have this beautiful palette that literally has all the colors I need to create that. And I will go ahead and I take this little fan brush from MAC. I don't know if you can see it, because I do want to kind of like create streaks. So that's why I also don't do my brows yet. So let's go into the white first, and we're starting there. And so what I do is I start from the inner corner, and all I do is I'm flicking it up and really pushing. I want this to look like a painting. So don't be afraid of being a little messy. Oh yes, we're going there. And so I will continue this all around my eyes in all the rainbow colors. So from yellow into orange, into pink, into red, into purple, into the blues, greens, all of the above. All right, now that we have this, whatever this feathery look is, I do want to create a little bit more of an organized look on the eyelid, because I'm an organized gay. So I'm using the B. Louise base into Rumor, and I'm using it to give myself a cut crease. Now for the glitter part, I'm using first a layer of the Dazzle liquid eyeshadow in Not Afraid to Sparkle, and then I'm using the loose glitter in Iridescent White, because literally this looks like unicorns fart into your face. It's gorgeous. I hope the camera picks it up. Do you see this? Gorgina. Now for eyeliner, we're using none other than House Labs eyeliner, because obviously this is created by Lady Gaga, and she is pretty much the Jesus to the gays.
Yes, Gaga! Hey, mama!
So go ahead, pray to your Gaga once a day, because you are, you're a good queer. So I will go ahead and just create a winged liner. Now to give myself a little bit more smokiness, I'm using my favorite black liner in the waterline. Now on the pencil brush, I'm using even more black to smoke out that bottom lash line. And then I take a clean brush and just smudge it in with the cream that it hasn't set yet. And I'm using the black also on the outer corner to where the cut crease connects to the liner. Alright, off camera I will quickly curl my lash, put on mascara, and then my favorite lashes, the Pluto from Bam Bam Wigs. And let me do that off camera really quick, and then I continue with the rest of the makeup tutorial. Now because this is not enough, I want to create even more glitter on my skin, so I'm using, this is the Glamour Sparks from Cryolan in the color gold, and this will go on top of my cheeks. And now for the lips, there's no other option than going in with a pink lip, because pink is such a threatening color to masculinity and to society when it comes to men wearing pink. So let's prime the lips first. Before you do your lips, always have a sip of champagne. And I go in with a chromographic pencil in Process Magenta to outline my lips. And of course I overdraw my lips because I'm gay. And then for the actual lipstick, we're going in with Sugar Pills, collaboration with Trixie Mattel, who is a drag queen. And then this is the color Barbara. Now to set his face, of course we use a little bit of X Plus, because this needs to last all June long, because the rainbow is here to stay, honey. Alright guys, and this was the gayest makeup tutorial ever created. Yes! I mean, like, to be honest with you, there are so many queer people out there who show amazing makeup skills. So I share my throne with a couple of other people, but anytime a gay person, especially a gay man, puts on makeup, it's a revolution, and it's the big middle finger to society who thinks, we all need to fit into this one little box. Also, talking about a little box, if you look at me right now and you think, oh my god, like, could you imagine your son looks like this? Is that gay? Well, if he doesn't fit into your little box that you created, you might want to consider not having kids. Because guess what? There's a high chance your kid comes out queer. It's the truth. So if you are not able to love your kid unconditionally, don't have them, okay? Just don't. You don't need to. Trust me. Now, if you like this video, if you like me, if you like this gay shirt that I put extra on for you because, unicorns and rainbows and, everything, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload so you don't miss out on another gay video. I will go ahead, go off camera, finish my little champagne and just be my queer little self. Happy Pride Month to everybody out there. If you celebrate it, if you're a true ally, if you're a queer person, know that you're loved, that there is a big world out there who supports you unconditionally. And if you need somebody to talk to, my DMs are always open. You will find the links to my social media in the info box. Now, if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section as always. And now, that was it. Thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate you. And I'll see you next time. As always, auf Wiedersehen und bis zum nächsten Mal.